One summer morning, I was walking through the trees. I stumbled upon a Manila Tamarind tree, standing tall under the open sky and branches brimming with fruits. Its presence quietly magical. There was a quiet joy in just looking at it, unfolding the childhood memories. In my childhood days, during summers, we used to carry a long bamboo stick with a hook tied to it for plucking Manila tamarind fruits. And we used to enjoy eating them together under the tree shade. Nowadays, people's lifestyles have changed a lot, in villages too, due to technological evolution, of course. And one such change is, we are slowly distancing from the nature. I saw trees swaying in the warm wind, and I heard whispers from Manila Tamarind tree.
Hello dear, it's been quite a long time we have met. Let me introduce myself to this new generation folks. I am a curly fruit. I dangle from tree like jungle earrings. I keep my mouth open when I ripe, showing my tiny black seeds surrounded by white-red pulp like summer's laughter. I am not a tamarind. I am not from Manila. Still people call me Manila Tamarind. I am a snack in disguise. I taste sour and sweet. My original name is Pithecellobium dulce, and I belong to Fabaceae family native to Pacific coast. I have other names too, like monkey pod, sweet Inga, Madras Thorn, etc. In India, in Hindi, people call me jungle Jalebi, after the resemblance to Indian sweet called Jalebi. My other Indian regional names include Kodukkappuli in Tamil, cintakāya in Telugu, Sīme hunase in Kannada, Kodumkaipuli in Malayalam. That's from me folks. Enjoy the summer seasonal fruit, Manila Tamarind. There is a season for a reason. Enjoy the life with nature.
In India, people make dishes from Manila Tamarind. Also, it offers several potential health benefits due to its rich nutritional profile and antioxidant properties. Like, it is a good source of vitamin C and also a source of fiber. Manila Tamarind has a history of use in traditional Indian medicine for various ailments, particularly for digestive issues, gum problems, and wound healing. I collected the fruits that have fallen like little gifts from the tree. I picked some from the ground and plucked some from the tree, both raw and ripened fruits. Found a cozy spot under the tree shade near the sturdy trunk. Peeling the skin, revealing the soft white pulp inside, removing the little black seeds one by one, I tasted the fruit. It was more than just a flavor, a quite grounding connection with the natural world. A reminder of how deeply human nature is intertwined with the nature itself. When the whole world slows down, and all that remains is you and nature in silent conversation. Nature has a way of speaking to our soul. I spent good time wandering and watching those trees. I left with filled heart and my face carried a smile only such moments can gift. Sometimes happiness is just a tree away, a simple fruit, a sweet moment, and a cherishable memory. We eat processed foods a lot. We drink processed drinks a lot. Maybe we need to enjoy the things that nature has given to us, like fruits. Season is for a reason. Thank you for watching the video. See you in another video. Subscribe the channel for more videos. Signing off.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.